Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of thyroid gland for histology practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of thyroid gland. Number 1, characteristics follicles are present. Number 2, pink colloid is present. This follicle is filled by pink colloid. Number 3, follicle is lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Number 4, very thin interfollicular stroma with parafollicular cells. Number 5, numerous capillaries are present. These 5 are the identification points of thyroid gland for histology practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video on my YouTube channel of thyroid gland. Go and watch that video. And now I will upload these identification points video also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation videos and each topic identification points. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification first. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.